Welcome to Question Bank. Today's question is a 220 volt DC shunt motor is operating at a speed of 1440 rpm. The armature resistance in ohm is 1 ohm and armature current is 10 ampere. If excitation of the machine is reduced by 10%, the extra resistance to be put in the armature circuit to maintain the same speed and torque will be. This is the question, and the main thing is excitation of the machine is reduced by 10%. Then asking for extra resistance to be put in the armature circuit to maintain the same speed and torque. So this is the question, and here what are given here I am writing. First thing given N1 and N2, N1 and N2. Here this is also 1440 rpm and speed will be constant, so this is also 1440 rpm. Next thing, torque will be also constant. T1 is equal to T2. IA1 is equal to 10 ampere given. IA2, that is armature current, in second case is not given. So in case of DC motor, commonly speaking, in case of DC motor, torque is directly proportional to flux into armature current, and we can write that as here torque is constant, T1 is equal to T2, I can write that phi1 IA1 will be equal to phi2 IA2. So here and here given that flux is reduced, the excitation of the machine is reduced by 10%. That means in second case the excitation is the 90%. So I can write here that phi2 will be equal to 0.9 phi1. This is the case. So I can write here phi1 IA1 is given 10 is equal to phi2 is 0.9 phi1 into IA2, and here IA2 will be phi1 will be cancelled out from the both side, and this will be 10 by 0.9. This is 100 by 9, which is equal to 11.111 ampere. This is the IA2. Now we are getting IA2. So now how we can find out the resistance? We have to find out the back EMF in both the cases. First case is EB1. EB1 is the back EMF in first case, that is 220 minus, here is the, suppose this one is the separately excited, the shunt DC motor, this one is the motor, and 220 volt, here is the 220 volt, and current is drawing 10 ampere. So and given RA is given in the question, RA resistance is given to be 1 ohm. So here I can write 10 into 1. So this is 210 volt, and I can write the equation E, that is back EMF. Back EMF is directly proportional to phi into N. Phi is the excitation or the flux and N is the speed. So as here N is keeping to be constant, given that speed will be constant, so I can write that EB1 by EB2 will be equal to phi2 by phi1, and phi2 by phi1 is 0.9 phi1 by phi1. This will be equal to 0.9, and so EB2 will be EB2 will be equal to 0.9 into 210. EB2 will be 0.9 into 210. Sorry, this one is EB2 by EB1 will be equal to phi2 by phi1. So this will be equal to 189. And now let extra resistance in, suppose this one is 1 ohm given and we have to add extra resistance to maintain the speed and the torque. So suppose extra resistance I am adding extra resistance R is added to armature circuit. So what will be the EB2? EB2 will be 220 volt minus 11.11. This is, we have already find out this one, 11.11 here, EBIA2, that is armature current in second case. So 11.11 into 1 plus R, this is the additional resistance, and 1 is already present. So EB2 we have find out to be 189 will be equal to 220 minus 11.11 1 plus R. Here we have to find out the R. So this will be 31 will be equal to 11.11 into 1 plus R, and R will be equal to 1.79 ohm. So here the additional resistance is to be added to maintain the speed, and the torque constant is 1.79. Option A is the correct answer here. So thank you for watching up to here.